Hey everyone, this is Elaine again with Larkin Lane Creations. I appreciate you stopping by today. What I want to show you today is we had these old frames at work and I got to thinking about something. I had been to Michael's and I had seen that they had some to-do boards and they were nice, and these nice frames, glass and everything, but they were like 70 something dollars retail and down to like $55 on sale. And I said, you know what, I think I can do that. So I thought about those old frames that we had at work, and I decided I'd spray paint them some cool colors. And because we are a general contractor, we have a printer that will print plan paper. So this is 24 by 36. I can print anything just so it's black and white. So I thought, well, I'll make my own to-do list. Well, what I found out was, even though this is plastic with a dry erase marker, it still stained it. It would not erase off of it. So I investigated a little bit farther. I wasn't going to give up. I didn't want to do glass because that's going to be heavy, and these frames are really not that sturdy to hold glass. So I found this stuff by Krylon, and it's for dry erase. Now you can get it in white, or you can also get it in clear. So clear is what I used, and you can feel the texture on here a little bit. But as long as you use a dry erase marker, it will erase. So you can have your to-do list. Now I'm going to step away and let my friend Joanne, who's videotaping again, show you the other ones that I've done. I've done the frames in a variety of colors, and I've done the to-do list in a couple different ways. I've done them landscape that you saw. I've done them in portrait. I also kept this one where it was just the frame as it was. And then I also did just a simple to-do list without the days of the week. So I hope you like this project. Again, it was very easy to do. A cheap frame, some paper, and a can of dry erase clear. So I hope you all enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by again at my YouTube channel. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye!